showers have come and gone.
And now it's just steamy outside at this point, Caroline.
Yeah.
It's hot outside.
It's hot outside. I think it briefly did cool us down, but now we're just left with hot, humid conditions. In fact, I want to show you what it looks like outside of Houston. You can see we've got mostly cloudy skies out there. Temperature-wise, going to be on the warm side. As for the rain, you'll notice over the last 4 hours, everything's just been fizzling out. In fact, now not dealing with any rainfall. That means you shouldn't have any issues for your afternoon pickup, your evening commute. However, your evening walk is going to be a bit on the warm side. Currently, temperatures sitting in the mid 80s by the coast, lower 90s to our north, 90 degrees in Huntsville. But when you factor in the humidity, it feels like the mid 90s to even 100. Look at this. Katy feels like 100, Austin 104, LaGrange 108 is what it feels like. As for this evening, when you're heading out the door, temperatures are going to be slow to cool down. By 8 o'clock, only 84 degrees, 82 at 9. In fact, overnight temperatures only going to be dropping into the upper 70s. Now, over the next few days, we're really going to be focusing in on the heat. So even though the mornings are humid, they're sticky, they're warm, we urge you to get out when it's 78 outside, because tomorrow afternoon, temperature is going to be making it into the lower 90s. By Thursday, the mid 90s. Lisa, Andy, this warming trend climbs into the weekend, but more on that full forecast coming up.
Caroline, thank you. Governor Grewal, thank you.
Speaking of hurricane season, let's hand on over to Caroline Brown, because here we are.
Here we are. Hurricane season has officially started, and the Hurricane Center already monitoring a region for possible development. I want to show you that region out there in the Atlantic. You can see tropical weather outlook. Thankfully, a 10% chance of development. That means a very low chance of development, and it's on the Atlantic side. On the Gulf Coast, not forecasting any tropical development, but we are going to monitor the system. The good news, if it forms, it's going to meander to the northeast away from us. So we should not see any impacts from it here in Houston. In fact, today it has been quite a day. We saw some heavy downpours roll through. All of those have cleared out, but it's left us a bit on the steamy side. A live look outside, you can see mostly cloudy skies. Temperature-wise, warm. Currently sitting in the mid 80s, lower 90s. Right now, 90 in Huntsville. Earlier today, I picked on LaGrange because they dropped into the 70s with the storms. Well, because of all that moisture, that's why they right now feel like 108. Feels like 99 in Huntsville, 100 in Bay City. So a very warm afternoon. Satellite and radar is going to show thunderstorms across North Texas and Oklahoma. That cold front dropping to the south, and that's going to bring the possibility of storms to central Texas overnight. Let me walk you through what we're tracking. As we go through the evening hours, warm, humid, mostly dry. Temperatures at 8 o'clock, 81 degrees here in Houston. Those temperatures really going to struggle to cool at all overnight tonight, only making it into the upper 70s. But by 6 a.m., some of those storms from central Texas might start to impact our far northwest counties. We're talking areas potentially as far to the southeast as Tomball. Those storms possible through the morning commute, more isolated, nothing widespread, no severe weather expected. As we go into Wednesday afternoon, at the heat of the day, temperatures slightly warmer than today. Once again, pop-up thunderstorms not out of the question. Now, as we go through the next several days, you're going to notice those temperatures increasing every single day. By Saturday and Sunday, it is going to be hot and hazy, 98 degrees both days. Andy, Lisa, if we're 98 in Houston, I bet someone's going to hit that 100-degree mark.
And that doesn't even account for the heat index.
Exactly.
All right, Caroline, thank you. We are now 3